Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Let us keep you on the cutting edge with our performance carbide tipped circular blades. The 8 1/4 industrial fine finish blade will tackle all of your hardwood, softwood, or plywood projects. Our finish blade is ideal for smooth finish crosscuts and is a perfect choice for excellent rips and job site materials. Its 40 ATB grind premium carbide teeth allow it to slice through a variety of materials, delivering crisp, smooth edges with less heat buildup. All of our Qsaw blades have laser cut bodies rather than stamped, which result in less distortion, delivering a truer square blade. It also features industrial brazing that create an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. Finally, its standard 5/8 arbor allows it to be used on most all portable circular saw machines. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.